Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Students, in this session, now let us understand the process of sublimation. Before getting to know through the experimental setup, let's understand the definition. Sublimation andre ಏನು? Sublimation is a process. It is a process where there is a change in state of solid to directly into the gas without undergoing into liquid. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, it changes its state. The solid matter, it changes its state from the solid to the gas without undergoing into liquid. Liquid state ge convert agdene directly it get converted into gas, solid to gas without undergoing into liquid. We call this process as sublimation. Here we will understand a sublimation process through the experimental setup. So I will also give few more example where without experimental setup also sublimation undergoes through some of the matters. Okay, I will give some of the examples. So first now let's understand through the experimental setup. So ಈ experimental setup ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು? So we need the Bunsen burner, and then we need a tripod stand, and we also have the china dish here, which is a porcelain one, and then we have the solid ammonium chloride. Andre we have ammonium chloride which is solid in state. We have inverted funnel. This is the funnel which is inverted, and we also have the cotton. We are saying it as cotton plug because we are plugging this cotton inside the funnel. So it is acting like a plug. It is avoiding the escape of the ammonium chloride vapors. Okay, let's understand how it is avoiding and what is exactly happening. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. See, in this setup, as I told you, we have the ammonium chloride which is solid in state in the china dish. When we supply the heat, when the heat is supplied to the china dish which is containing the ammonium chloride, china dish ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, we have ammonium chloride. ಹೀಟನ್ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this solid ammonium chloride, it changes its state. It changes its state from the solid to directly into gas. ಹೇಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ? See, when it is being supplied by the heat, the ammonium chloride, the solid ammonium chloride, it has been converted into the ammonium chloride vapors. Ammonium chloride vapors ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Without undergoing into the liquid state. Vapor means it is again the gas. It is a gaseous state, right? So the ammonium chloride, the solid ammonium chloride, is directly convert its state from the solid to the gas as the ammonium chloride vapors. So this changing into gaseous state without undergoing into the liquid, we call it as sublimation. Here the solid directly changes into gaseous state without undergoing into the liquid state. Very simple. So this process we call it as sublimation. I will give you few more examples for the sublimation process. Before that, I would like to tell you, as the ammonium chloride, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ammonium chloride, solid ammonium chloride sublimation process ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ we call this ammonium chloride as sublimate. As ammonium chloride is undergoing the sublimation process, ammonium chloride is the sublimate. It is called as sublimate. Now let's understand with a few more examples for the sublimate, that is which is undergoing the sublimation process. When I talk about the examples, you can take an example of mothballs. You nodirಬಹುದು, mothballs are used in the house. So this mothballs, it will undergo sublimation process. It is a sublimate. ಈ mothballs ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it undergoes sublimation process. It directly changes its state from the solid to the gas. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಈ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಡೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಆ ಬಾಲ್ಸನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಿರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್. It directly changes its state from the solid to the gas. Okay. As a result, it is changing into gas. What is being released? A good smell is being released. So this mothball is used as a pesticide as well as a deodorant. Pesticide ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ deodorant ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So mothball is also an example for a sublimate. So another example I would like to give you, I think you would have observed some the ice crystals on the frozen food, like the French fries or the aloo potato stuffs, whatever the frozen food. The frozen food ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ it is kept for frozen. So when you remove that, when you take out from the frozen area, you would have observed there is some solid ice crystals which are present on that cover. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫ್ರೋಸನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಕವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಯು ಹವ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ the solid ice crystals are getting transferred into, it is being changing its state from the solid to the gas. This is also one of the example. And another example is dry ice. We call it as solid carbon dioxide. See, solid carbon dioxide kuda, idu kuda, it will be in the solid state and it directly changes its state from the solid to the gas without undergoing into liquid. Okay, so I hope you understood what happens exactly in the sublimation process. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. So the matter which will be in the solid state will get directly transferred into the gaseous state without undergoing into the liquid state. Liquid state ಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗದೇನೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, it get directly change its state from solid to the gas. This is what happens exactly in the sublimation. So here they have given the statement or the definition for the sublimation. You can underline in your textbook. A change of state directly from the solid to the gas without changing into liquid state. It is called as the sublimation process. I hope you understood this experimental setup also. I would also like to tell you the molecular formula of ammonium chloride. The molecular formula for the ammonium chloride, I just write here NH4Cl. NH4Cl is the molecular formula of the ammonium chloride. Here, solid ammonium chloride, when it has been supplied by the heat, it directly changes its state from solid to the gas. That is, the ammonium chloride vapors are settled on the inverted funnel. I was telling you why we are keeping the cotton plug. Suppose if we have not blocked this way, there is a hole here, right? If we have not blocked this way, then what happened? Whatever the vapors which are been released, when it is changing its state, it would have been escaped. Illinda escape agboದಿತ್ತು. So then we could have not found some of the, what is that, ammonium chloride crystals or the vapors which were settled, that is inside the inverted funnel. So to know that, we have blocked this way so that all the ammonium chloride vapors get settled here in this region inside the inverted funnel. Okay, I hope you have understood the sublimation process. You might also have a question that why it gets settled in this region. Because as the temperature is less in this region, here inside the inverted funnel, so when it gets heated, what happens? It gets settled on the inverted funnel. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the next session, I'll come up with another topic. I'm signing off. Thank you.